Hello everyone and happy Diwali. Many of you are interested in getting into the AI field, into the generative AI field. Many of you are also reaching out to me to ask about the generative AI career roadmap. People coming from different backgrounds with zero knowledge on data science, and there are some people who do have some expertise on data science. They are already working as data analyst or data scientist and want to explore generative AI. So this video is going to be an end-to-end generative AI roadmap video for 2025. And in this video, I'm going to cover two different scenarios. The first scenario is going to be for complete beginners who are completely beginner, who have no idea about data science, no idea about data analytics or AI. And the second category of people who are having some knowledge, but they just want to upskill, just want to learn generative AI to enter this domain. I'm going to cover both of these aspects. Apart from that, this is a mega announcement video. On this occasion of Diwali, I have some beautiful announcements that I'm going to do as part of this video, but you have to stay tuned till the end. And this announcement is about something I'll talk about it once we are through in this video and once we start talking about the roadmap. So let's get started. Now let's get into the roadmap. Talking about two different scenarios, I will be leaving the timeline in the description. So in case you fall in the first category, you watch this part. If you fall in the second category, you can skip it to the second part. So the first category is basically the AI enthusiasts or data science enthusiasts who are complete beginners, who have no idea. So usually many people reach out to me, people coming from complete different backgrounds with 3 to 5 years of experience in different domains, or even freshers who are complete new to generative AI and AI. And there are some people also reach out to me who have some sound knowledge on Python and SQL and they want to learn data science and AI. So for them, the roadmap is very, very simple. Simple as in simple to explain, but to learn, you have to spend a good amount of time. So to begin with, Python is the most important thing that you should learn. So Python as a programming language should be in your bucket list. Apart from that, concepts of EDA, which is also kind of considered as part of Python. So Python plus EDA sums up to be the module 1. The second part is going to be databases. SQL and NoSQL databases are a must. You have to learn these things before getting into the topics of machine learning, NLP and other things. After SQL is done, you should definitely jump into some business statistical knowledge. There are certain topics you can check out I will be sharing more details on where to learn these things, but business statistics is also must. Central tendencies, mean median mode, normal distribution, Poisson distribution, various other things, outlier treatments, IQR, multiple other things. Then comes machine learning. Very, very important topic. Even though predictive analytics or predictive modeling has decreased, many companies are switching into generative AI, but you cannot really directly jump into generative AI. So you have to go through a path, right? You cannot directly jump into learning sentences without learning the word. So machine learning is a prerequisite. Imagine you learn generative AI, you join a company and आपको किसी कंपनी में मशीन लर्निंग का काम मिल जाता है, and if you say them I don't know, it's going to be a very, very bad impact, right? So machine learning has to be studied. After machine learning comes natural language processing and transformers. These are the most important building blocks towards generative AI. Then comes deep learning, neural networks, LSTMs, RNNs, GRUs, bidirectional LSTMs, very, very important in order to get into generative AI. So this is basically the data science tech stacks that I have been talking in multiple videos. So you have to learn this, and then comes generative AI, encoder decoder architectures. Then jumping into GPT architectures, RAGs, LangChain, Llama indexings, multiple other topics, prompting, prompt engineering, vector databases, vector indexes, and definitely projects. Especially in the first half of 2025, if you are planning to transition, this is something that you need to study. If you are looking at a later half of the year, maybe 2026, or late 2025. By then, image generation and video generation will also kind of pop up in the market. So you have to eventually learn those things later, but for now, textual generation part in the generative AI is the most important thing. And then comes portfolio projects. You have to practice multiple portfolio projects. That's going to be the first type of people. Now, the second category of people that usually reach out to me are people who are already data scientists or already data analysts. They already know machine learning, predictive modeling, these kind of things. So for them, you can directly jump into generative AI, but natural language processing and transformers are building blocks. You have to spend at least a month or 2 months learning about the complete NLP and the deep learning tech stack, and then only you should jump into generative AI. And generative AI, again, the topics are going to be same. So it's the same topics that I discussed few minutes back. Now, this is a very generalized video. Most likely it is going to be applicable to most of you. But in case you have a very odd experience coming from a different background, or you have 25 years of experience and you want to jump into generative AI, in that case, I would be suggesting you a different roadmap. So in case you have a very odd background, you still want to transition into AI or generative AI, reach out to me on LinkedIn or send me a message in the comment section, and I will connect with you and we can discuss. Now, talking about the major announcement. The major announcement is about my programs. So if you are falling in the first category, I have a beautiful program of more than 120 hours under 𝐓𝐢𝐦𝐞𝐋𝐢𝐧𝐞, where you have everything starting from Python, SQL, statistics, machine learning, NLP, time series forecasting, deep learning. It's a bunch of videos, 120 plus hours of program with 30 plus industry level projects and 24/7 support from my side and resume guidance from my side. This program was available to you at 5,999. Initially, the program price was 9,999. I was selling it for 5,999. And now, as part of this video, as part of Diwali, I'm going to give this program completely for free, but to 10 users. So what you need to do is, you will be finding a Google link in the description. Go and apply for it. Randomly 10 users will be selected. I will not be biased at all, because the entire list of the candidates will be publicly shown to you. Whoever has been selected in the top 10 will be getting a complete 100% off on this program, and you will be onboarded to the program completely for free. What about others? Others who miss out on this opportunity will still be able to avail a 50% off discount coupon, which makes this program at 2,999, which is 2,999, and you're getting a 120 hours of end-to-end data science generative AI program. What could be better than this? For the second category of people who are already data scientists, who already know various concepts, for them, you need not have to waste so much money, because I don't want you to waste money, right? We already have a Udemy program. The link will also be in the description. You can probably check out from different devices, maybe from your parents' devices or from different devices. Udemy provides dynamic pricing. I'm sure you will get the best deal, and you will be able to enroll the program at 499 or 399. I don't know. This is dynamic pricing by Udemy, right? Even though I don't make money on Udemy, I still don't want you to waste money, right? So these are the two things, and the announcement was the same thing, that on this occasion of Diwali, I want to give 10 people this program completely free of cost. So you need to go and fill out the link, fill out the Google form in the description. Also write interested in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help you out. Apart from that, what should be my next topic? Whether I should focus more on the data analytics side or generative AI side or something like that. Even I'm planning to start some live classes during December. So in case you want a specific topic I need to teach you, let me know in the comment section, and I will take actions immediately. That's all about this particular video. I hope you enjoyed. In case you have any questions, let me know. In case you want to connect with me, everything is in the description. That's all about it. See you in the next video, and happy Diwali once again.